How to download Netflix on MacBook. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is open the App Store on your MacBook and look for the Netflix app if it is available there. Now tap on the search address bar and type down Netflix and press enter. Now, after you press enter, look for the Netflix app. So basically, Netflix does not have a dedicated app for macOS, but you can still watch Netflix on a MacBook and even enjoy offline viewing using some workarounds. So firstly, all you have to do is go to the Anywhere browser on your macOS. Then, all you have to do is in the search address bar, search for the netflix.com. Then press enter. Now once you're inside the Netflix, all you have to do is tap on the three dot option available in the top right corner of your screen. Then there look for the cast, save and share option available and tap on it. Then tap on the create shortcut option available there. After you tap on the create shortcut, it will create a shortcut on your macOS home screen. Now you can write down the name according to your preferences. Here I am typing down Netflix. Now tap on the create. Now go to the home screen and you will get to see Netflix option available there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.